two former liberation war fighters, Florence Chirenda and Makwende Madongo, have died and were laid to rest in the Bulawayo Provincial Heroes Acre on Monday. Salamina mashoko pangwa inoy at the double war vets burial in Bulawayo. Luba subscribe like on the bell icon. Zvitiko zvirikuitika pangwa inoy parikono kwakunzi Zimbabwe, especially in the ruling party, mune chaos irikuitika, especially panhau succession. Tendera mberi nenhau zvobuda nepamchinzi Florence Chirenda was the widow of national hero Lieutenant Colonel Harold Chirenda. A somber atmosphere enveloped the city of Bulawayo. The coffins of the two were lowered at the Provincial Heroes Acre in Ngulumane. Speaker after speaker described the deceased as dedicated and hardworking. Family members expressed gratitude to the government for honoring their relatives with provincial hero status in quotes. As the Chirenda family, we truly appreciate the honor bestowed upon our mother and will forever cherish it, said the family spokesperson. Everything went smoothly. At the Madongo family, we were grateful for the hero status conferred on our brother. We are inspired to follow in his footsteps. ZANU-PF Bulawayo Provincial Chairperson Jabulani Tsivanda emphasized the importance of unity during his address. It goes, these individuals contributed immensely to the country. If something feels amiss, don't question them. Question yourself. They brought independence and order to this world, he said. Born in 1954 in the Kesi district of Matabeleland South Province, Florence Mankosi Chirenda died on the 15th of this month. During the liberation struggle, she trained as a journalist in Romania and later worked for New Ziana after independence. She is survived by 5 children. Mangwende Madongo served in the Zimbabwe National Army and retired in 2007 with the rank of Staff Sergeant. He passed away on the 16th of this month and is survived by his wife, Mrs. Betty Madongo. Ndo mashikano kuda panguva ine pamusoro the double burial hour ye2 war veterans auya achipraiswa nevanhu vachinzi aiwa these individuals they were dedicated and hardworking. Pinda comment section medu dzemafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.